Have you ever thought about what protects your online identity after you successfully log into a website or application? It is a critical question because if your session is compromised, an attacker could pretend to be you, accessing your personal data or performing actions on your behalf. Session Fixation Prevention is a security mechanism designed to stop attackers from hijacking a user's web session by forcing them to use a session identifier chosen by the attacker. Essentially, it ensures that an attacker cannot provide you with a session ID, wait for you to log in with it, and then use that same ID to impersonate you. The core problem lies in how some web applications handle session identifiers. An attacker might initially obtain a valid but unauthenticated session ID, perhaps by simply visiting a public page. They then trick a legitimate user into using this pre-established ID, often through a malicious link. If the web server does not issue a *new session ID after the user successfully authenticates, the attacker can then use the original, now authenticated, session ID to take over the user's account. This happens because the system mistakenly trusts the session even though it originated from an attacker-controlled environment before authentication. To effectively prevent session fixation, the primary strategy is to regenerate the session identifier after a user successfully logs in. This ensures that any session ID an attacker might have previously provided or observed becomes invalid once the user authenticates. Beyond regeneration, it is crucial to set appropriate secure cookie flags, like HTTP-only and secure, to prevent client-side scripts from accessing session cookies and to ensure cookies are only transmitted over encrypted connections. Additionally, robust input validation and protection against cross-site scripting vulnerabilities are important, as these can sometimes be vectors for injecting or revealing session identifiers. A well-implemented session fixation prevention mechanism significantly raises the bar for attackers. By generating new, unpredictable session identifiers upon authentication, you effectively invalidate any prior session tokens, making it nearly impossible for an attacker to maintain control. This defense is a fundamental component of secure session management and protects against a class of attacks known as session hijacking. Ultimately, session fixation prevention protects your user's authenticated state by breaking the link between an unauthenticated session and its authenticated counterpart. This simple yet powerful security measure ensures that each legitimate login creates a fresh, secure session, safeguarding sensitive user data and maintaining the integrity of your web applications.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.